In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open NinjaTrader Chart. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what each option means, and how to get a clean chart on your screen without confusion. First, launch NinjaTrader. When it opens, you'll see the Control Center, which is the main command hub for the platform. Think of this window as your home base. It's where you start new tools, manage connections, and organize your workspace. Keep the Control Center visible because everything important begins there. Next, look at the top menu of the Control Center. Click New, then select Chart. The moment you do that, the Data Series window will pop up. This is where you choose what market you want to view and how you want the chart to behave before it appears. Taking a moment here saves time later. In the Data Series dialog, start by selecting your instrument or market. You can type to search, then pick the symbol you need, whether it's a futures contract, a stock, or another asset available in your setup. If you're charting futures, make sure you pick the current active contract so your data is up to date. If you don't see what you expect, double-check spelling and use the search field to narrow the list. Now, choose your time frame. For intraday trading, minute-based charts like 1 minute or 5 minute are common. If you need more detail tied to actual trades, a tick chart updates with each transaction rather than by the clock. For broader context, daily or higher time frames are great for spotting trends. Pick what matches your trading or analysis style, knowing you can always come back and change it. After that, adjust other chart settings. Decide how much historical data to load. More history gives better context for levels and indicators, but it may take longer to load and use more resources. Choose a chart style that suits your preferences, like candlesticks for visual clarity or OHLC bars for traditional analysis. You can also fine-tune things like session templates and display options to keep the chart uncluttered and readable. When everything looks good, click OK. A new chart window will open immediately, showing price bars for the instrument and time frame you selected. You can resize the window, zoom in or out, and begin your analysis right away. If you want to tweak anything, just right-click the chart and revisit Data Series to make adjustments. That's it. You've successfully opened a NinjaTrader chart, configured to your needs and ready for action.